Hi guys, welcome to our first video. My partner and I plan to upload a variety of videos to our channel, so hit that subscribe button to help our channel grow. So for many years I've thought about making and selling press-on nails, but I've never got round to it. I've decided to take the plunge and planned everything in December of 2019. Everything was ordered in January, but due to the current crisis, many items have not yet arrived. Because of this, I'm postponing my launch until the world goes back to normal. In the meantime, I'll share my plans and products with those of you that wish to start your own business. So let's get started. First, the most important thing you will need is full cover false nails. It's beneficial to have a variety of shapes and lengths. I've wrote sizes here, but I actually mean lengths as the nails come in a range of sizes to fit each nail bed. Next, you will have to prep the nails for decoration. Nail stands are useful for decorating the nails and also for keeping full sets together. Use these combined with the mounting putty to secure down the false nails. Nail files and buffers are needed to tidy the free edge of the nails and rough up the surface to give the gel something to hold on to. Finally, from this category, you will need gel cleanser or isopropyl alcohol. These are used to fix any mistakes in your artwork or to remove the tacky dispersion layers from the gels. The following products are an absolute essential for your business. Now, you will need base coat for prepping the nails before applying any colour. No wipe top coat for finishing and sealing your designs and giving your nail a nice shine. Matte top coat for finishing and sealing your designs and giving your nail a matte effect. Builder gel. Now with builder gel you can use it for encapsulating the nail art or adding strength to your work. Gem glue for applying and securing any gems. Foil glue for applying any foils. And finally, coloured polishes. Again, it's best to have a variety for customers to choose from, just like any salon. This is just a quick list to give you an idea of where to start. The third section I have here is all the tools that you will need in addition to the essentials that I have mentioned before. Now, specific work needs specific tools for the job, and having an assortment of the correct tools will make your creative process a bit smoother. I've written a pretty extensive list here, but if you think I've missed anything out, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Now remember, you don't have to purchase everything at once. Start with the basics and add to your collection as your business grows. Let's move on to what in my opinion is the most important factor in designing custom work, your nail art. With so many nail art products out there, you have truly unlimited possibilities when it comes to expressing your creativity. Now with sites like Pinterest, a quick scroll down the nail feed and you will be filled with colourful inspiration. Now, personally, embellishing the nails is my favourite part of the creative process. Most nail art can be picked up relatively cheaply from sites such as Amazon, AliExpress and eBay, although you do have to be careful you are ordering from a reputable seller, and in most cases, be prepared to wait a month or two for delivery, which isn't very convenient. If this doesn't suit you, shop local and check out craft stores and nail supply stores. In this section, we're going to look at application packs to send to your customers with your press-on nails. Now, it's up to you to decide what you want your packs to consist of, but I will be creating application packs to send with my nails that will include everything needed to apply them from start to finish. Therefore, my customers won't have to make any additional purchases. My packs will comprise of a wooden cuticle stick, a double-sided nail file, a nail buffer, both nail glue and nail tabs so the customer has a choice, application and removal instructions, and finally some type of packaging to hold all the products together neatly. This section would be the final step in your process, packaging and shipping your orders. First, decide how you want to package your nails. Personally, I'll be using long rectangular boxes, but I have seen others using resealable bags, which is a slightly cheaper option. Use double-sided mounting tape to keep the nails secure during transit, minimising the risk of any damage. Now, a brand logo should be decided upon before you open for business, but I am including it here as I intend to print logo stickers and stick on everything that will be posted. You will need envelopes, bubble mailers or padded envelopes to protect everything during delivery. And I'm going to include a business card with every purchase as it looks and feels more professional and gives your customer a chance to pass it on to friends and family. As an extra, you can offer your customers sizing kits to fit each nail precisely. Now, kits should include one nail of each size in the customer's desired shape. Now, you don't need to use the mounting tape here, but I'm choosing to, that's why I've included it in this section as well. I will be mounting these nails on a logo branded card with space to write nail sizes so the customer has a record for themselves. These nails do not have to be returned, and a photograph or message with the sizes is all I will need to complete an order for a customer. Finally, as there's little value in the sizing kits, I will be posting these in regular envelopes to keep shipping costs as low as possible. And there we have it, guys. That's everything you would need to start your own press-on nail business. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.